Hi YouTube guys. If you follow my channel, you know that I have, about a year ago, I bought a StringWorks Soloist III cello, and which I like a lot. But due to my trip to Italy being canceled because of the COVID-19 pandemic, I ended up with a few extra bucks laying around, so instead of going to Italy, this is my present instead. This is the unboxing for a Kallo Bartok cello from StringWorks. So I decided to upgrade. I'm using that money for the upgrade. So why did I do that? Well, the Kallo Bartok cello is supposed to be a lot nicer than the StringWorks Soloist III cello. Again, I do like the Soloist III, I do recommend it still, but hopefully this is even better cello. So we will see. So we're going to do an unboxing here so you can see what it looks like. Just arrived from FedEx, so open it up. Now because this is, if you recall my last unboxing that I did for the Soloist III, it was sent in a soft case. Because this is a much more expensive cello, they supposedly have shipped it in a hard case, which I'm supposed to send back when I trade in my Soloist III. So let's see what we got here. So there's a piece of cardboard on top here to protect it. Put that aside. Okay, a little card. And inside of here, there's a cello. So I can feel there's a hard case. I'm going to reach in and pull it out without getting stuff everywhere, maybe. There we go. It is evidently not possible to get this out without getting peanuts everywhere, but that's okay. And this is their, I saw this on their website. This is, I think it's called ICA. It's a Czechoslovakian Case, which looks pretty nice. But again, I'm not keeping this, this is just for transport back and forth to StringWorks. So let's open it up. And I'll try to keep the cello in the picture once I get it out of here. Okay, I will grab the camera so you can see what's inside the case. So they did a wrapping here and there and a little extra padding. Let's pull the padding out. And we'll take protection off the bridge and the protection off of the tailpiece. And the strap, and it should come out. Okay, so you can see that I asked for some nicer pegs, which these have a boxwood accent to them, which I like. And I also got I paid extra for the Bois de Harmonie tailpiece, which is made out of boxwood. And it's equipped with Larson A&D and Spirocore G&Cs for strings. So I'm going to set it down here and we'll look at the back. Pretty nice varnish on the back. And for the front, it's got a nice patina to it, old world looking. Supposedly it's made out of aged European wood. And that's pretty much it. So I'll stop this here and play a little bit in a bit. So here's first playing of my new Kallo Bartok cello. Little Bach. I've tuned it already. Very similar to the Soloist III, maybe a little bit richer sound, especially on the non-open strings. Let's play a little bit more. Oops. I say the C string is kind of strong. So nice resonance, sorry. Very nice looking, varnish on it. So obviously comparing it to my other instrument, which has been played for a year now and is completely played in. This one is, it's got very little time on it, so it's going to sound different. But it's encouraging so far, so that's it. Thanks.